Welcome to video part 8 of the DFO32 build series. This video will be the continuation of the servo installation to the left and the right wing. In this video you'll see 3 slides: the left, the right, and the middle. The left and the right are basically duplicates of each other, showing the left and the right wing. The middle slide is what we will be concentrating on for the most part, and the left and right slides will be supplements of the middle. The step of continuation here starts by mounting the wood assembly to the wing cutout. This foundation essentially requires to be glued in, and it serves as a mechanism of interfacing the completed servo assembly to the wing, and it's attached via 4 screws. As you can see, the completion of each wing, we want to apply a little bit of the foam safe rubber cement. Now guys, I know in the previous video I was insisting on using Gorilla Glue. That still holds true here as well, but in this particular case I only had the rubber cement available to me. And I would recommend using the rubber cement for sealing the servo mechanism to the surface of the foam, but I would still recommend the Gorilla Glue to be the #1 choice in gluing the wood frame to the foam, which applies to all the wood to foam or foam to foam pieces. The servo door plastic to the foam can be, I re-emphasize, be used by the foam safe rubber cement because the servos are an expirable part, and they will deteriorate over time, and they will need to be replaced over time. So it would be advantageous to have an adhesive that's removable. Basically here we're showing the same thing for the other wing, repeating the process as well in the micro view. Okay, so just bear in mind the orientation. The left and the right wing has a specific door set. You can't use the right side for the left wing, and the same thing for the left side for the right wing. So I would recommend letting this set overnight typically. If you're not in a rush, I would recommend just building this plane out. Even though you could technically build it within an hour, I would, because this plane doesn't have many screws, this kit requires gluing, I would space the build out over 4 days to have the quality go up instead of rushing through this.